Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you ready to take your vlogging to the next level in 2025? Imagine capturing every moment in stunning detail, whether you're exploring a new city or just hanging out with friends. Today we're diving into the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, a game-changing vlogging camera that promises to elevate your content like never before. Let's see what makes this little powerhouse a must-have for every vlogger out there. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is truly a marvel of technology packed into a compact design. With its impressive 1-inch CMOS sensor, you can shoot breathtaking 4K video at a jaw-dropping 120 frames per second, ensuring your footage is not only smooth, but also incredibly vibrant. One of the standout features is its 3-axis stabilization, which means you can run, jump, or even dance while filming, and your video will still look like it was shot on a professional rig. Plus, the face and object tracking capabilities are a total game changer. Imagine being able to move around freely while the camera keeps you perfectly in focus. No more awkwardly adjusting your shot. And let's not forget about the fast focusing system that captures those spontaneous moments without any lag. The built-in mic is another fantastic addition, providing crystal clear audio that complements your visuals beautifully. Whether you're filming a travel vlog, a cooking tutorial, or just sharing your daily life, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 ensures that your content looks and sounds amazing. It's not just a camera, it's your new best friend in the world of vlogging. The Insta360 Ace Pro II is not just any action camera. It's a powerhouse designed for those who demand the best. With its impressive 1.13-inch sensor, you can shoot in stunning 8K resolution, ensuring that every detail of your adventures is captured in vibrant clarity. One of the standout features is its dual AI chip technology, which enhances performance in low-light conditions, making it perfect for those late-night escapades or early morning hikes. Plus, the camera is waterproof, so whether you're surfing, snorkeling, or just caught in the rain, you can keep filming without a worry. The flip screen is a fantastic addition, allowing you to frame your shots perfectly, whether you're vlogging or capturing action shots. And let's talk about audio. This camera boasts superior audio quality, ensuring that your videos sound as good as they look. With the included dual battery bundle, you can keep shooting for longer without interruptions, making it ideal for those all-day adventures. And for those who want to save time in post-production, the AI editing feature is a game changer, automatically creating stunning edits that you can share with your audience in no time. The Insta360 Ace Pro II is truly a versatile tool for any content creator looking to push their limits and capture life's most exciting moments. Now, let's move on to our third product, which is perfect for content creators looking to take their videos to the next level, the Sony ZV-E10 II. This APS-C interchangeable lens mirrorless camera is designed specifically with creators in mind. Let's dive into what makes this camera a fantastic choice for your content creation needs. The Sony ZV-E10 II is a game changer for anyone serious about video production. With its APS-C sensor, you'll enjoy stunning image quality and depth of field that can elevate your storytelling. One of the standout features of this camera is its interchangeable lens system, giving you the flexibility to choose the perfect lens for any situation, whether you're shooting wide landscapes or close-up details. The camera also boasts impressive autofocus capabilities, ensuring that you stay in focus even during fast-paced action. Plus, with its vari-angle touchscreen, you can easily frame your shots from any angle, making it ideal for vlogging and creative angles. The built-in microphone input and headphone jack allow for professional audio quality, which is crucial for engaging content. And let's not forget about the 4K video recording capabilities, which means your videos will look sharp and professional. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, the Sony ZV-E10 II is a versatile tool that can help you bring your creative vision to life. The Canon Powershot V10 is a compact, all-in-one vlogging camera designed for content creators who want a simple, portable solution without compromising video quality. Featuring a 20.9 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor, it captures crisp 4K UHD video and delivers impressive image quality even in low light conditions. Its built-in stand and flip-up touchscreen make it easy to frame shots, whether recording yourself or capturing scenery. The stereo microphones provide clear audio, reducing the need for an external mic, though there's still a 3.5mm input for added flexibility. The camera's autofocus is reliable, though not as advanced as Canon's higher-end models. Lightweight and pocket-friendly, the Powershot V10 is ideal for travel vloggers, casual creators, and those who prefer an easy-to-use camera over a smartphone. However, the lack of interchangeable lenses and limited manual controls might not satisfy professionals looking for more customization. Overall, it's a solid choice for beginners and vloggers who prioritize convenience and quality in a compact package. Last but certainly not least, we have the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Standard Combo. This waterproof camera is perfect for those who love to capture action-packed moments. Let's explore what makes this camera a must-have for sports enthusiasts and vloggers alike. The DJI Osmo Action 5 is an incredible action camera that's built to withstand the elements. With its 1/1.3-inch sensor, you'll capture stunning 4K video at an impressive 120 frames per second, allowing for smooth, slow-motion playback that highlights every detail of your adventures. One of the standout features is its subject tracking capability, which ensures that your subject stays in focus, no matter how fast they're moving. The advanced stabilization technology means you can say goodbye to shaky footage, giving you professional quality results every time. The dual OLED touchscreens make it easy to frame your shots and navigate settings, whether you're filming yourself or capturing the action around you. Plus, being waterproof means you can take this camera on all your outdoor adventures without worry, whether you're surfing, biking, or just vlogging your daily life. The DJI Osmo Action 5 is designed to keep up with your active lifestyle and deliver stunning results. And there you have it. Those are our top picks for cameras that every content creator should consider. Whether you're looking for a compact vlogging camera, a versatile mirrorless option, or a rugged action camera, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content creation tips and gear reviews. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which camera you're most excited about, or if you have any questions.